Hello and welcome back to the BEEiLab channel. In our last video, we explored fundamental codes. Today, we're venturing into other crucial concepts within the Pandas library. So, let us get started. In Pandas, NaN stands for not a number, and it serves to represent missing or undefined values in a data frame or series. These NaN values can arise from various situations, including incomplete data, data corruption, or data transformation operations. Let's explore how to identify these NaN values using the following code. This code snippet will help us uncover and understand missing values within our dataset using the isNull.sum function. Now, let's take our exploration of NaN values in Pandas a step further. In addition to detecting missing values, understanding the extent of missing data is crucial. The isNull.sum function is a powerful tool in Pandas that allows us to calculate the total number of missing values for each column in a data frame. It returns a binary series containing true and false. Then, we use the sum function to calculate the number of NaN values for each column. Now that we've identified and understood how to check the missing values in our dataset, let's discuss a common strategy for handling them. The fill-NA method in Pandas is a powerful tool that allows us to fill NaN values with a specified value, in this case, 0. When dealing with NaN values, it's often beneficial to address missing values for specific columns. In this code snippet, we focus on the bedrooms column and use the fill-NA method to replace any missing values specifically in that column. Another approach to handling NaN values is to remove rows containing any missing values. In this section, we use the drop-NA method to eliminate rows with NaN values. This operation removes any row where at least one element is missing. The axis equals 0 parameter specifies that we are referring to rows. The inPlace equals false parameter ensures that the original data frame remains unchanged and the modified data frame is returned. If your focus is on columns with missing values, you can use the drop-NA method with axis equals 1. In the following code snippet, we eliminate columns containing any NaN values. Moving on to assigning values in Pandas. If you encounter null values in a specific column and want to fill them with a particular value, it's a straightforward process. Here, we assign the value 0 to all the elements in the floors column. Now, let's explore a more dynamic way of assigning values. In the highlighted section, we use a list comprehension to assign values to the floors column based on the range of the data frame's rows. This code sets the floors column with values ranging from 0 to the number of rows in the data frame. To gain a comprehensive understanding of our dataset, the info function in Pandas proves invaluable. This function provides a concise summary of the data frame, displaying information such as the data types of columns, non-null counts, and memory usage. Moreover, the describe function in Pandas provides statistical summaries of the numeric columns within our data frame. This summary includes metrics such as mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and quartile values. Now, let's zoom in on the price column specifically. By using the describe function, we obtain a detailed statistical summary for this numeric column. Taking a closer look at our data, let's explore some key calculations and unique values. The mean function in Pandas provides the average of the price column, giving us a sense of the central tendency in housing prices. Similarly, the std function calculates the standard deviation of the price column. Furthermore, we can extract the unique values in the bedrooms column using the unique function. Exploring further into the dataset, let's analyze the distribution of bedrooms. The value_counts function in Pandas allows us to unravel the frequency of each unique value in the bedrooms column. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Pandas library. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. For code examples, check out our GitHub page. We'll see you in the next video.